she can help.
Yes.
We have to sing happy birthday first.
Hey Eli, whose birthday are we celebrating?
My Karen.
Do you want to say anything to Aunt Karen? Look at the camera.
Happy birthday.
Say, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Drew, would you like to say anything to Aunt Karen?
Say,
I love you.
Aww. Bree, say hi.
Hi, Aunt Karen.
Okay.
Ready?
We're all here to sing for you, Karen.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aunt Karen. Happy birthday to you.
Now can you blow them out, your 3 kids?
Yay!
I can smell wax.
Oh, awesome. Don't you feel like you're here, Karen?
Whoa! What a big bubble!
Whoa. Who decided on the color?
Diane.
You did?
What color is it?
Blue. Blue.
Is that Aunt Karen's favorite color?
And Drew put the swords in.
Who knows? Yes, Drew put the swords in. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see the swords stabbed into the side of the cake. Now, should we keep...
Sharp knife right in front of Drew.
We'll make another video in a minute of somebody eating it so you can enjoy it being eaten too.
Awesome thing.
You found one?
Awesome thing.
You guys
Oh, I
did
think
an
awesome.
awesome.
You got
I
a
think
big
you
one?
guys
All
did an
right.
awesome job of blowing out candles.
Sure did.
We got too many.
Here.
I'm just in the middle of the table.